Welcome back to AI Deep Dive Fitness Reviews, where we cut through the hype and focus on what actually works. Today, the Apple Watch. You've probably seen it everywhere. It's not just a smartwatch anymore. It's one of the most popular fitness trackers in the world. But is it actually a powerful fitness tool, or just a very expensive step counter? At its core, the Apple Watch is a wearable that tracks your daily activity. Steps, calories, heart rate, and workouts, and syncs everything into the Apple Fitness ecosystem. The main feature is the activity rings: move, exercise, and stand. Simple, visual, and surprisingly effective at pushing people to stay active every day. And that's where Apple really wins: consistency. Closing your rings becomes a habit, and for many users, that daily goal is enough to keep them moving. It tracks a wide range of workouts: running, cycling, strength training, height, even swimming, and the data is generally accurate, especially heart rate tracking. You also get extras like ECG, blood oxygen monitoring, and sleep tracking, which add value but are still more wellness insights than medical tools. Now here's the trade-off. The Apple Watch is not a structured training system. It tracks what you do but does not tell you exactly how to train long-term. There is no built-in progressive program like you would get from a dedicated fitness app. Battery life is another limitation. Unlike some trackers that last a week, most Apple Watches need daily charging, which can be inconvenient, especially for sleep tracking. And then there is the price. It is one of the more expensive options, especially if you are mainly using it for fitness. So who is it for? It is ideal for people who want an all-in-one device: fitness tracking, health monitoring, and smartwatch features combined. Great for beginners or anyone focused on building consistent habits. But if you are a serious athlete looking for advanced metrics, long battery life, or structured programming, it may feel limited. So the honest take? The Apple Watch is not revolutionary for training, but it is extremely effective at one thing: keeping people consistent. And for most people, that is what actually drives results. But here is where it gets more interesting. The Apple Watch becomes more powerful when you connect it to other apps like Strava, MyFitnessPal, or Apple Fitness Plus. On its own, it tracks. But with the right setup, it can support more structured training. You also get real-time feedback during workouts: heart rate, pace, calories, which can help you adjust intensity and push harder in the moment. Still, the value depends on how you use it. The watch gives you data, but it does not automatically turn that into a plan. Without direction, it can easily become just numbers on a screen. Motivation also plays a role. For some, closing rings stays exciting. For others, it fades over time. And when that happens, the watch becomes passive instead of a real driver of progress. Final verdict. The Apple Watch is one of the best all-around fitness wearables available. It's not because it has the most advanced training system, but because it makes fitness simple, accessible, and easier to stick with. And at the end of the day, consistency beats complexity every time. That is the full breakdown. If there's another fitness product you want us to analyze, let us know. Because in a world full of fitness marketing, our goal is simple: focus on what actually works. See you in the next one.